Hello and welcome to Affirmation Pod. This is where you get soothing affirmations to help you make the changes you need to, follow through when times get tough, and to live the life that you want. Happy New Year to you. Let's have a meaningful and fulfilling 2025 together. I will have in the show notes of this episode some of our coming back episodes for you who have fallen out of healthy habits and want to return to them. I know for me, especially around eating, I was essentially out of my routine the whole December. My high school holiday gift exchange was actually November 30th, just because that was the only date that could work for everyone. And so it seems like since then, I haven't been in my eating routine that I usually adore. So it's time to get back to that. Today's episode is along those lines for setting yourself up for the day. Sometimes we get overwhelmed with the things we need to do, the tasks that are due. And of course, there's the unexpected things that come up. It can start to feel like we're constantly running to chase the train that has started to leave the station. And we're in this frenzy. So today's affirmations are not long, but they're there to give you that message to yourself and your body, your mind, your spirit, who you are, how you want to live, and what story your life is writing. So let's take some comfortable, easy breaths now. Here's affirmations before you start your day. Today is a gift. I am starting fresh. I'm noticing a wave of ease and comfort flowing through my body now. Before I start this day, I am clear on the person I am and how I want to live this day. I am clear on where I want to say yes and where I want to say no. I am clear on where I need to say yes, and I am clear on where I need to say no. I now connect with my ability to make great decisions with my time, money, and energy. I am clear on how I may be overreacting or underreacting as I go through this day. I am budgeting my time, my money, and my energy well. I can look at what's in front of me and what's ahead of me and focus where I need to. I am clear on what needs to wait and what needs my attention now. I'm going to be good to myself today. I'm going to do something nice for myself today. This is a new day. This is my day. This is my life. I listen to my heart before I start this day. I listen to my needs before I start this day. I listen to my body before I start this day. I listen to my intuition before I start this day. You may already be in a regular habit of doing this, but as a reminder, writing things out can help make things clearer. So can saying it, but we don't always remember it or have someone there to hear it and can remind us of it. Whatever you are facing, whatever is on your plate, or maybe you're juggling a number of plates, remember this episode is here for you whenever you need it. And let it be a rock and an anchor, especially in uncertain moments. If you want to start your year off with all the episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements, that's available for Premium Access members. Premium Access members also get all the bonus episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements. They're also not available, generally speaking, on the podcast. There have been a few, but most of them are only for Premium Access members. In all the years that I've been offering Premium Access, I have not raised the price so that it is affordable. Come join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.